Last night was all about glitz and glamour at fashion's biggest night out, the Met Gala. The event drew A-list celebrities to New York's Metropolitan Museum of Arts. Now, the Met Gala was held on its traditional date, the first Monday in May, for the first time since 2019. This year, the event was held under the theme Gilded Glamour and featured a slew of iconic fashion moments on the carpet. Co-host Blake Lively paid tribute to New York City's architecture in a shimmering gown that dramatically transformed as she walked the gala red carpet. Rappers Cardi B, Megan Thee Stallion, Nicki Minaj, Future, as well as the Kardashian and Jenner sisters, model Naomi Campbell, English actor Cynthia Erivo, among others, strutted the carpet. Among the highlights of the night was billionaire, entrepreneur, and fashion icon Rihanna being honored with a marble statue at the New York Metropolitan Museum of Arts. Rihanna has since responded to the honor in a tweet stating that, quote, "Shut down the Met in marble. What's more gilded than that? LOL. Thank you, Met Museum, and thank you, Vogue magazine, for this historic tribute. Y'all bad for this one," end quote. The Met Gala, formerly called the Costume Institute Gala or the Costume Institute Benefit, is an annual fundraising gala held for the benefit of the Metropolitan Museum of Art's Costume Institute in New York City. Recording artist Jahmiel's latest album, Legend, debuted number 6 on the subscription-based, sales-driven U.S. current reggae albums chart with the first week sales of 74 copies. Legend is produced by Sweet Music record label and features guest appearances from dancehall artist Version on the track, 7 Times Rise, reggae singer Bugle on Africa, and Ghanaian star Stone Boy on Beautiful. The title track, Legend, which features Massacre, is currently trending number 19 on streaming platform YouTube with close to 1 million streams. The project is the follow-up to his revamped EP released in June of 2020. His debut album, Great Man, was released back in 2019. Grammy-winning rapper Megan Thee Stallion was recently honored in her hometown of Houston. On Sunday, Megan was honored with keys to the city, and the Houston Mayor Sylvester Turner declared May 2 as Megan Thee Stallion Day. Turner and a group of city council members presented Megan with the key to the city, and several members of her family attended the event. According to the mayor, her contributions to Houston have helped a tremendous amount of people and uplifted the city when they needed it most. Megan honored her parents with the launch of her foundation on February 14, dubbed Pete and Thomas Foundation. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for ePrime.